Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, or AI for short. If you've ever wondered how your favorite voice assistant seems to understand you, or how your social media feed knows exactly what you like, then you're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down the basics of AI prompt engineering, so even if you're an AI novice, you'll walk away with a greater understanding of this incredible technology. So, buckle up and let's get started. First, let's get familiar with the term AI. Artificial intelligence is the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. This includes problem solving, speech recognition, learning, and understanding complex patterns. There are several types of AI, but today we'll focus on one type in particular: machine learning. Machine learning is a subset of AI that involves training algorithms to learn and improve from experience. Think of it as teaching a computer to perform tasks without explicit programming. One popular method in machine learning is using neural networks, which are inspired by the structure and function of the human brain. These networks can learn from large amounts of data, helping them to recognize patterns, process language, and make predictions. Now that we have a basic understanding of AI, let's dive into AI prompt engineering. A prompt is like a question or instruction that you give to an AI model. The AI model then generates a response based on its training and understanding of the prompt. The quality of the response depends on several factors, such as the training data, the AI's architecture, and the way the prompt is structured. Creating effective prompts is both an art and a science. The goal is to ask questions in a way that helps the AI understand your intent and provide accurate, relevant, and creative answers. Here are a few tips to help you create better prompts. Be specific, clearly define the information you're looking for. Provide context, give the AI some background information to help it understand the prompt better. Test and iterate, experiment with different phrasings and approaches to see what works best for your particular AI model. AI is already a part of our daily lives, whether we realize it or not. From search engines to voice assistants, AI helps us navigate the digital world with ease. It's important to understand the basics of AI and prompt engineering so we can better utilize this technology and create innovative solutions that make our lives easier and more enjoyable. And there you have it. We've just scratched the surface of AI and prompt engineering, but I hope this video has given you a solid foundation to build upon. Remember, AI has the potential to change the world, and by understanding its principles, you can be a part of that revolution. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content related to AI and new technologies. Until next time.